Alright y'all, so today we are making chicken piccata pasta. It's a really quite simple recipe. We have some chicken tenderloins here. Now you can just take a breast and cut it up too, but I prefer the tenderloin for this recipe. We have a little bit of flour, we have some butter, and of course we got some capers, because you have to have them. But we have some bow tie pasta. You can use your favorite kind of pasta. I went with a bow tie in this situation. We have some garlic powder, we have some lemon juice, and we have a white wine. Go ahead, use your favorite white wine. But before we get to cooking this, we are on the road to 500 subscribers. So if you want to learn a new recipe every week, go ahead, hit that subscribe button, and let's get to cooking. So for our chicken tenderloins here, we're just gonna hit these with a good coating of garlic powder. You can use as ever much garlic or as little garlic as you would like. I like garlic on the healthier side. Now we're just gonna give these tenderloins a nice good toss in that garlic. And now we're just gonna add a little bit of flour. Enough to coat all of our chicken. Alright, so we've heated up a pan with some olive oil in it. And we're just gonna dump our chicken into this. And we want to cook our chicken all the way through. While we're doing this, we've also gone ahead and started to heat up our water for our pasta. Alright, so once our chicken is cooked through, we're just going to remove the chicken, set it to the side, and now we're going to add our capers. And it's about 4 tablespoons of capers. And we're just going to cook those up for a few seconds. And if you smash some of them up, it'll release more of that flavor. Now after about 30 seconds, we're going to go ahead and deglaze our pan with half a cup of our white wine. And we have this on a low heat, and we're just going to simmer it for a few minutes. This wine will start to thicken up. Now once our wine and capers have had a minute, we're going to add 1/8 of a cup of our lemon juice. Now we're going to add an entire stick of butter. And before you say that's a lot of butter, well, it is a butter sauce. So we've cut our heat. Once our butter is melted and heated up, we're going to drop in our pasta. Really want to get that good mixed around. Then we're going to drop in our chicken. And because our chicken is larger, we're not really mixing it in, we're just getting it coated with our sauce. So now I'm gonna go ahead and serve up a plate of this real quick. And there you have it, chicken piccata pasta. If you like this recipe, go ahead, hit that like and subscribe button down below. If there's anything you want to see cooked on this channel, go ahead and leave a comment. There's a video over here that YouTube thinks you should watch. And until next time, keep on cooking on.